contract machinist came, and they make these parts out of 6061 aluminum. So they're CNC machined, drilled, and marked off so that they're knobs for some kind of a mechanism. They need the surface prepped for anodizing. So we need to remove all the machine lines and get a nice matte, even finish over the part. So we're going to supply the customer with one of our dry EcoFlex media processes, so there's no wastewater involved. Parts are running in this dry process. And so here's one of the parts now. With the matte finish, we've removed all the machine lines from it.